So hello all, so happy Diwali to you all. So it's a great festival. I hope you are enjoying these days and obviously staying safe. And even if you are preparing for GATE, but take some time out from your preparation, enjoy with your family. So it's a huge festival for all of us. So please enjoy a bit and then get back to studying. So that's it. Stay safe. Very important. Stay safe. Okay. So don't hurt yourself or anyone else. So that's very important. Enjoy yourself obviously and then get back to studying. So now I have been asked a lot of times, like 3 months are left and what etc. I'll get to the questions one by one. So first thing is I think few days back someone asked me, ma'am, ho paayega, like this. Okay, so I'll tell you, ho paayega, because you are preparing. Okay, so don't think ho paayega, nahi ho paayega, GATE rank, whatever. So don't think like that. If you are preparing, you are doing great, you will get a great rank, okay, and great college. Okay, so stop worrying. So first thing is stop worrying. Because if you worry, if you have seen my whole video, journey video of GATE, the big one, if you have seen it, I have there mentioned that because I worried in one test I got less marks and that ruined a year, because GATE happens once a year. See, if you prepare, if you fail somehow, but if you are worrying and if you are failing because of that, that's not acceptable. Because I mean, it's acceptable, but why you should do that? Because I have done that in the past and I cannot change it. I hope I can help you with that mistake I have done, so that no one else makes that. So that's the only thing. See, if you are worrying like this much is syllabus is done, etc., so stop worrying. Okay, so let's say for example you have prepared some part of your exam and you are getting maybe at this stage, this is November, for whole November, December, January are left. At this stage you are like, if you are thinking that you might get let's say 30 marks. Okay, 30 marks, and if you stop today because of worrying and this anxiety and everything, you will not get even this 30 marks also. Okay, because if you start for next 3 months you don't do work and you take lot of pressure, your performance will go down. And if you don't work for next 3 months, you will not get this 30 marks also. On the other hand, if you don't worry and you are getting 30 marks, okay, so I actually have allergy problems and that escalates during this period, so I'm sorry if I'm rubbing on my nose and etc. So sorry for that. So the thing is, if you are getting 30 marks now and if you stop worrying and you don't worry, you keep preparing, like you have been preparing for a long time and you keep preparing, let's say you get another 30 marks and total you are getting 60 marks. So you can see the difference. 30 marks you have already prepared and you are worried that only 30 marks is prepared and you are not going to get this 30 marks, and you don't worry, you worry and you lose this 30 marks also. And on the other hand, if you don't worry and you are getting 30 marks now, you are at this position, you might get 30 marks out of the exam, and you prepare another 3 months explicitly and do whatever I am going to tell you, that what else you should do. So you will get 60 marks and you will obviously land up in a great college and get this what is called this stream. Okay, obviously. So think like that. On the one hand, if you don't worry, you are getting around 60 marks, and if you worry, you might not get that 30 marks also. So what should you choose? Choose wisely. Okay, so that is very important. I wanted to convey this message, that if you don't worry, you will get this mark. I mean, this like any round figure, you might be at the position you are getting 40 marks out of exam and etc. So I have just taken like 30, maybe actually 28 or 29 is a cutting marks. What is that? Passing, what is it called? Pass marks or something, that to get the scorecard. Okay, so if you don't worry, you will get here, and if you worry, you will get here. Okay, and I obviously got here last year and I had to prepare again, so that's why I am telling you to please don't do that. Okay, please stop worrying. I'm again saying same thing. So about 3 months strategy. See, nothing else. See, the first, from the very first beginning, like beginning of when I started the YouTube channel, I have been telling you to do all those things. You have to still keep doing those also. Okay, so nothing new. So if you haven't been starting like a year back, but like when I started my videos, so if you haven't like started from April, but you are doing now, so what should you do? First, syllabus. Okay, try to complete the syllabus as early as possible. Okay, so when I say syllabus, just don't complete the syllabus by just going through the notes or whatever videos or your books and everything. You have to do revision also. Okay, so because if you don't revise, that is also another mistake I did. So if you don't revise, see, questions won't be asked from your notes, obviously not. The concept which you build while preparing the subject, that is very important. If you cannot recall what you have studied, so how will you answer the questions? You have to solve a question and you have to get the marks. So that is very important. Okay, so revise. So I should put like so many stars here. So revision is very, very important. If you don't revise, you don't remember the concept, it's total blunder. The whatever syllabus you completed, that is gone waste. Okay, so please revise properly. And number 4, this PYQs. Okay, so PYQs, if you haven't done like 30 years of PYQs or anything, so nothing to worry. You can start from 2021 and go backwards. Okay, so like 2021, then 2020, then 2019, like this, go backwards till how much time whatever you have left. Okay, so like that, do this way. Okay, so number 4 is test series. So now you cannot delay test series. Okay, so now is the time everyone has to take test series. Okay, so maybe like for example, let's say you cannot delay, like I am not well prepared, so no one will be see, even if you ask AIR 1, he or she or they will be like something is missing at the day of the exam also. But you have to take the test series. You cannot delay this anymore because it's already November. You should take test series now. Say for example, you have prepared OS and you are taking that OS subject test. Okay, subject test, we are taking the OS subject test, and you are afraid, and let's say for example the worst case you get like 5 out of what I think 30 or 25 marks or 30, let's say 30, you are getting this marks, and before the exam you are afraid, and after exam you are getting this kind of marks. So you cannot worry. Okay, you cannot afford to do this, you cannot do this. So you have to say, like you have prepared the subject, there must be something lacking there. Okay, that's why you did not get that 25 marks. So I am taking the worst case. Even if someone gets 0, you have to start somewhere. Even you get 0, minus marks, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something, you have to start somewhere. You cannot just delay. Okay, I will not take the test series, maybe later, and that this will go on, this procrastination will go on, and the day of exam will automatically come and you will not be taking any test series. So don't do that. Even if you get this kind of marks, I am taking the worst case scenario and getting very, very low marks, and don't think about rank, don't see the rank only. So if you get like this, so what you have to do? So what I did was like open the solutions, check the solutions. You have done silly mistake, that is very important. What kind of silly mistakes you are doing, I will make a video on silly mistake. Even in my this semester AI exam, I lost 4.5 marks because of silly mistake. Okay, so in place of or, I wrote and I got whole, like I have taught you guys this thing in my class, like mathematical logic, and I did in my exam, I did this. In place of or, I wrote and I got the whole that marks, 4.5 marks is gone. Okay, so anyway, silly mistake you cannot totally avoid, but with more and more practice it will be going less. Okay, but like you will make less silly mistake. Even if I in GATE also I did. Okay, 2 to the power 1, I think it was asked 1 and I wrote 2, something like that. I made. So silly mistake, write it down, like if you are copying the data wrong, something like that, one thing. And if something like you did not know the process, you knew the concept, but something you have to find, let's say for paging, you have to find out how paging is done, you don't know, so do that. Okay, so do that, revise from your notes, revise that. Or if you do, So sorry, my video got interrupted. So space issue actually. So what I was saying. So if let's say if you don't know the concept at all, so some kind of like segmentation. So you haven't read that concept and question came from that area. So what you have to do? You don't go directly to the solution. You will get more stressed or confused. So what you should do? You should go and read the topic. Let's say segmentation. You haven't read and the question was asked from segmentation. So you can just read the topic from somewhere and then go to the solution and understand the solution. Like this you have to go. So also that is it. So 25 marks, how you have to fetch that, you have to think. Okay, so don't take any negative thinking in your mind, and you have to go on, and then you have to get this 25 marks, and it is doable. Okay, so like that test series you have to complete all this. So another thing, I'll see, I have already mentioned this lot of times. So also again I am mentioning that please solve aptitude, engineering mathematics and discrete mathematics in parallel. Okay, so don't leave this carries a lot of marks. Okay, so this part carries a lot of marks and you can easily score there, even if you are not good in mathematics. Aptitude will not be like CAT level, it will be easier and it will be lot easier. Okay, so you can very well score there. It is exactly defined, it will be in another section. Okay, so general aptitude will be in another section and the computer science part will be in another section. So CS part, so aptitude 15 marks will be there. So whatever comes and not, 15 marks will always be there. So you have to score very good out of there. Okay, so don't leave this topic, aptitude and engineering mathematics and discrete mathematics. Please prepare well, because see, you have to practice. So mathematics is one way you have to ace it. You have to practice. You have to practice a lot of time. So then you will get accustomed to it and you will get good marks. So see, I have already mentioned this very lot of times again, because I have been asked by some people. So that's why I am again telling. See, this is nothing new. This is nothing new to it. I have already told you this previously, but again I am reminding you this. You have to continue doing. Okay, so syllabus completion, try to complete the syllabus as early as possible, but you have to revise properly. Like if you haven't revised in like a lot of times, so you have to start revising. You have to give more time on revision than completion of syllabus, because if you have, let's say for example, you have studied some subject in May and you haven't touched it in all these months, so you have to obviously give lot of time to that subject. Okay, so that's why I am telling you to revise properly, because see, I have done this blunder and this blunder, I have both done it. So if you don't do revision, then the concepts you have built, it's automatically gone from you. It's not gone, but I mean you will forget it. So you have prepared a lot, you have done so much of work, so I want to waste it. So that's why revision is very important. If you haven't revised anything till now, still you can do it. Revise properly. 3 months is a lot of time for revision. Okay, so you can revise properly. PYQs I have told you, if you haven't done like 30 years, you can just go on like this 21 to backwards. And test series you have to take. Okay, now you cannot delay test series, you have to take test series. So that is very important. And mathematics, please do in parallel. Even if you have not done it yet, you should do it in parallel. Okay, so that's it. This is another thing, that please stop worrying, because see, I have worried and I did a huge mistake by there. So if you cannot stop worrying, so I'll suggest you to take a help from a professional. Okay, so that is very important. So if you are getting anxiety or panic attack, something like that, so take a help of professional. That's the only guidance I can give you. So that's it for you guys. So if you have any more queries, you can always reach out to me. Sorry. See, I haven't been uploading videos on any concept, any topic or any subject, because see, my semester is going to end soon. So I'll start doing videos. For now, actually I have 2 projects going on, AI and DIP. Digital Image Processing hasn't started, so hasn't given us yet, but he will. So AI, see, I will complete this video and start go running and like do my project. Sorry. So that's why I have a lot of coursework to do, because I think 15 days are left, 15 to 20 days are left, so we have some lot of work to do. So I'll upload videos once my semester is over. I'll upload hell a lot of videos, so you will get a lot of videos. But for now, this is it. If you have more queries, see, I answer to everyone's question. So if I have missed some mail or a message or somewhere, so please remind me again. So it's not that I'm not replying you any like that. I'm not holding any grudge anyone against you. So it's that I have missed your message. Okay, so I reply to everyone. If I may take time, because if I am doing something, I have to take time out of it, and I have to reply to you. Like any questions, like if you ask me any kind of question like computer networks or anything, solving question, that is easier than getting to know your situation, like your stress level and anything to answer it, because you know, I know how situation is, because I have been there. I know how hard it is. So last year I wasn't stressed so much, but year before that I was so much stressed, and I know how hard it is and everything. So I remember. So I know the situation is very hard for you guys, but you have to keep going. You are doing a great work. You don't want to lose it, right? So keep doing, and we will see whatever rank, whatever you get out of this exam. We will talk about this after the exam. So don't worry for now. See, this marks I have told like a tentative thing. Okay, so to tell you that if you worry, you will lose that also. So that's why I am telling you, don't worry. So what marks, what college, everything will be we can discuss later once the exam is over. But for now, just focus on your exam. So that's it, guys. Bye, and we will meet very soon in next video. Okay, bye.